can see good lights here at the Statue of Liberty for 2022. And because this is the center for big projects, because there are 4 lines starting from here. This is the first line, Gold Market, and then second line, and then this is the Zemskir project, that is visible grey structure, and then it goes in 4 lines. Almost 8200 projects goes at backside with a lot of hotels, including Pearl Continental Hotel, project of Zem, project of AAA Associate, project of Nexus Mall, Edgestone Builders, and a lot of builders there from all over Pakistan came here to make big projects. And in front of them, that is the dancing fountain, which is to be formed in the future, claiming, but and Dominion Mall surrounding with many malls, Hash Mall, Eiffel Mall, coming and marketed all over social media, and their work is also being started. So this is becoming a business hub, and that's why it is called the business district area. Malik Riaz Mosque is also at the back side, and you can see at daytime from here. Qiyad and Albari International Project is at the other side, and they have also much precious place, because there are much precious places here. One of the precious places is here, and this is a Dominion Mall, which is a big one, not visible at the dark, I think so, but it's a big one. And then closer to those malls are even bigger than Dominion. If you are thinking Eiffel is claiming bigger than Dominion, Grand Millennium is claiming bigger than, Nexus Mall is claiming bigger than. This is a round shaped malls. Only one is formed, and this is round shape, just like a circle. And many projects are being constructed. They have started their basement, but one is little bit up with the Dominion Mall. And you can see this area is being used for marketing as well. If you can say, the NK Associates are promoting their product. Grand Millennium is just at the back side of this car, and Aj marketing also. And this is the Zem Mark. Zem have almost 10 to 15 projects here. Very interesting. And this is one is formed here. If you will see the picture, the finished picture in the media, that is very brilliant. This is just a grey structure because they will finish it. And then Times Square is giving very good profits to the clients. Then Nexus Mall, 27-story building at the backside, which is just like St. Joras Mall. So a lot of other things here. Square 9 is also coming. The Grana.com is also making Gold Flora just at the backside of this area. Gold Flora is closer to Garden City, and you know Gold Flora is being marketed in almost all channels. So if you are going to see any advertisement in the television, just think that this area is just closer to this Statue of Liberty from 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer, because 2-3 kilometer here and 2-3 kilometer at the backside, because Garden City will start from there. This is also another office. You can see the office at yellow. You can see this is also a office for Aj project, Pearl Valley, Pearl Mall. Yes, if I'm right, if there is no mistake, that is Pearl Mall. That is also at this lower at the backside of this light. And because this is a mountain and basement work started, which is not visible from here. The Crescent Mall is, you can see the red lights. If I will magnify the Crescent, yes, this is a Crescent Mall management, and they are also very ornamental, and they are always here to market their project, because their 3-4 story has been formed in just closer to attach with the Dominion Malls. Okay, thank you very much for this information.